this road is sick. I'm about to be blinded. Woo-wee. Yeah, so this is Arrington Vineyards off to my left. It is absolutely beautiful. Everything kind of up that way. They've got more down here. This is like your California winery, but here in Nashville. Let's go up here. Let's see how far I can go up here, y'all. Check this out. So Arrington Vineyards, if you have never heard of it or never been here, it is such a fun little place. You can come here. You can bring a little cooler with food and whatever you want. Get yourself a bottle of wine and just kind of hang out. Like, you'll see some people up here doing that. Look at all these like spots to hang out. Those are all under the shade up there. Really cool. I don't know if I'm supposed to drive up here. I just really wanted to show y'all the whole spot. Yeah, see all this? And they'll have live music. I believe that's going to be right up. Yeah, look at all this. Cool, right? I don't think I'm supposed to go back here. I'm not about to do that. I feel like this is a gravel road. Huh. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Yeah, check out this, guys. Arrington Vineyards is one. If you come to visit, look at this view. Just beautiful, isn't it? I mean, such a cool spot. You can grab a bottle of wine and sit out here and hang out. I see someone's having like a birthday party over to the right. There's another spot where there's like a barn and you can hang out. I don't see it right here. Yeah, you got restrooms right here to the left. I mean, really sweet, isn't it? I don't know why I don't come here more often. I just, you know, golly, I'm just a party pooper. I just suck when it comes to having fun. That's the real answer. Well, there you go. Cool, guys. See? We got to see something cool. Y'all got to see Arrington Vineyards.